Hello everyone, I hope you all doing well, you all doing great. It's been a good day today, so I just want to share with you another great and amazing course of YouTube automation with AI. The help of AI, how you can make videos. Like, you don't need any team to hire, you don't need someone to do work for you. You can do it just by yourself with the help of AI. So for those who don't know what is YouTube automation and what is AI, so YouTube automation with AI is with the help of artificial intelligence. You can make faceless YouTube videos. AI is artificial intelligence. I think everyone knows that. Okay, so AI will write a script for you, AI will make a video for you, and you just have to select a niche and make that videos and upload it. Okay, so the course is belong to David Omari. It's his course. I try it and it's a kind of good course, so I just want to share it with my community for 100% free, this course. So like in automation, what you do, you make a video, faceless video. You don't need like yourself to make a video. Like, you can do it by yourself just with the help of AI. Let me show you an example. So what will you need for it? ChatGPT. It's 100% free. Like you can say give me 10 ideas about YouTube automation. So here will, like, AI can give you even ideas about YouTube automation, how you can use it. So from here you can get a niche and each and everything from ChatGPT. It even can write a script for you. Like, if you see give me 10 expensive vegetable script for YouTube. Here it is. Boom. So in that way you can see, like, they can give you and you can make a video about it. You can copy the script and you will need a software with the help of ChatGPT and some more software that will create a video for you. Each and everything you have to watch this video at the end and subscribe my channel. I will share the link of the course where each and everything is mentioned, and all thing will be done with the help of AI. You can see this YouTuber, he doing the same YouTube automation and making like crazy money. So he is making like crazy money, so you also can do it. Okay, so what you need to do for a course, where will you get the course? I will show you the course in the drive link. This is the course, YouTube automation with AI introduction, automation video creation, channel optimization with AI, conclusion and future prospects. Okay, so this is the course. It's like you can done it with 1 day easily. Okay, and you can start your faceless YouTube automation with the help of AI channel. Okay, so it's very easy. You don't need to worry about anything. So let me share you the link where you can get the link. Okay, so what you have to do, you can just stop this video right away and go to my YouTube description. There will be the course link mentioned where you can download the course from it, the drive link, and you can watch the video 100% free and done the course and make thousands of dollars per month and thanks me later for it. Okay, so I hope you will subscribe my channel, and that's it for today, and we'll come with some more contents like that. So do not forget to like and subscribe. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.